Kunama siblings, kunabantu abazalwa ndawonye.
Sure.
Bakhule ndawonye.
Sure.
Bayazondana namhlanje baba badala.
Sure.
If ungacheka unina, umama or ubaba obenze bangazwana. But hayi ngoba singazwana nama family members wethu. The problem iqoki bekuma.
Sure.
Why is it uthi ama family wabo timer they are most likely ukusiphatha kabi compared to family yabo mama. Emango iside labo mama mango, it is always available to welcome you, shower you with love, take care of you, wonder about you. Ugogo mfethu is always willing to take care of you. But if family labo timer, what's going on? The day you accept ukuthi mina no mama asizwana, the better you're gonna have peace.
Yeah.
Number 2, the day you accept mina no time nami asizwana. You get what I'm saying? And pray. It's only God that have the power to restore the love and the relationship between you. Uyazi ukuthi kuyenzeka uma wakha kuzonde.
Sure.
Kanti inzondo yakhe uma uyidetector noma uyihlola.
Sure.
Uzonda ubaba wakho.
Yo.
But through wena. Do you know one of the most painful thing about kushonela abazali usasemncane mama? Ukuthi akusabi nomuntu onendaba nawo. Khona amadoda that are foolish abaphika abantwana babo, but abanye mawuthi uya-check ama reasons wabo wambona umbhaci umama echita and ekumbhaceni kwakhe angeke asakhona uba nama doubts. Umntana wami lo hayi mina ngeke ngize ngibanjiswe ijazi. Ukuthi umzali wakho uyakuzonda akakuthandi ukutreata bad.
Yeah.
Ungidlula bonke abantwana bakhona.
Yeah.
Bengicela ube ne moment before uyakude nenzondo.
Yeah.
Engicela uhlale phansi noma.
Yeah.
Ma kwenzakalani ekuzaleni kwami? Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. As always, Bafethu, we appreciate those that like and subscribe our content, and also Ankongeto, I'm always with Indota. That needs no introduction.
Yeah.
Smoother.
Dibundas. Alright, put.
No, ngigrand.
Mnandi.
No, siyabonga. Sibingelele yonke South Africa, umhlaba wonke, boLesotho, boNamibia. Real Talk, lena ki Real Talk, but with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi, and abantu basazi from kuma video. Yeah. So siyesa shifta seza ngapha futhi nangalo sekhona mawufuna ama videos khona a spiritually a revive umphefumulo wakho. So nje siyabonga kakhulu mabunda mfowethu sesikhona sesiya Real Talk. Yeah.
Most importantly, sure. Remember last week we announced ama number we Capitec to those that wanted to give.
Sure.
You won't believe it, but I got 50 rand lapha ebhalwe Real Talk. Which ukuthi ke there's someone from our YouTube. We appreciate you. Oye wanigela wathi Real Talk Madoda Anyakazi Sumuzi be blessed yabona. So
uyazafethu
siyabonga. Ishukthini but
I'm 100,000 naye.
Yes. Can't wait. Siyabonga, we appreciate it. Noma kungathiwa 2 rand, 1 rand, or 5 rand, othumela uthi Madoda Anyakazi Sumuzi qhubekani ngalento yenu. Be able ukuthi nithenge equipment proper, build a studio, let people's life be impacted.
Yeah.
Thank you. So let me repeat the number again.
Yeah,
number ye Capitec 064 6200 751. Ikhona na ku WhatsApp for those that need ama account number, because obvious Capitec to Capitec isebenzisa I number, then but for another isebenzisa I account number.
Okay.
So for those that need the account number, you can also text the very same number, then we'll communicate.
Yeah, and then mabunda man, I've seen lapha ku our latest episode. Yo, ama comment ba maning episode 17.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much guys for those who are commenting. Siyabonga kakhulu, it shows engagement. You know, ama comment mabunda I've realized ukuthi kwathina nathi shoota I content la.
Sure.
isinikeza that thing ukuthi oh people are watching people
Yeah.
are listening what we are saying and abantu they can relate, and I've seen like it's the most episode commentwe kakhulu I Real Talk episode 17.
We're
cooking.
We cooked. What an episode. No, otherwise last announcement, then we get to straight to it. Kulabantu abaseswatini, we are coming to Swaziland, not as a Real Talk, but we are coming as Amadoda Anyakaza Sumuzi. We'll be there. Is it 6 or 5 September?
It's 5.
Yeah, 5 September. For more details, hopefully, ngale ku muntu editor. Uza find the post. 6 September. 5 September we'll be in Swaziland, lapha emanzini. We're gonna be having great time. Entrance mahalaha, and also Cape Town 31 October we are coming. This Friday sizabe silapha Soshanguve. Yeah, sizabe Soshanguve. It's Pretoria. Yeah. Follow us on all our social media platforms to find out more ukuthi sikuphi njani sidibane nawo. Ngaba mnandi but sidibane nomuntu athi hey nginazela ku Real Talk. I came because of Real Talk. We'd really appreciate it. Angazi put any other announcement?
No, sisi right, settled mabu.
Settled.
Yeah, no.
Straight to it.
Yeah, sivele sihlabe lenkomo.
Mang,
sure baba.
Do you know ukuthi I think I'll start this thing.
Sure.
My story some personally and also blend in with your story. Ngakhula bhuti ngikhulisa ubaba. Umama wami washona ngisasemncane.
Sure.
I think after I was born she only lived for 3 months and then she passed away.
Sure.
So most of my time as a person,
sure,
angilwazi uthando luka mama. I'll be honest with you. And I've had, growing up, I've had this thing to say, ngizwa abantu, ngizotshela umama, ngizotshela nani. But me, the only person that I understood, not done playing the role that my sister played, she played a huge role.
Sure.
But a role edlala usisi ne role edlala umama, they're two different roles. You get what I'm saying? And the feeling is not the same.
Not the same, yeah.
So it brings me to today's topic to say, ukukhula ungana mama empilweni yami and kunobaba kuye kwa shape a certain kind of a person that I am.
Sure.
Namhlanje.
Yeah.
And kunezinto engifisa kwangathi I can still have them. There is a certain portion of me that is not fulfilled, and there is a certain portion of me that sometimes struggle that I cannot disclose because of that absence.
Yeah.
Which brings me to a topic namhlanje to say kunabantu that have both parents in their lives. They have the mother and the father.
Yeah.
And they do not understand how blessed they are to have both parents in their lives. And when we speak about having both parents in their lives, we speak about having to live with them in the same house, having to see them how they love each other, how they communicate. Ukuba nabazali uthi uvuka ekseni uthola abazali bakho bo2 bakhulisa. What an underrated blessing. Because of siphile emhlabeni whereby kunabantu abakhuliswa, you find out it's only the mother, the father is not there, maybe ubaba washona, or it's only the mother and the father bayaphila but they are divorced, or they are separated, they are not together. And those things, they have their own complications. Man, singe.
Hey, Lord. Hey, prophet.
Good.
Like there's a lot in my mind as we talk.
Yeah.
System yami brainstorm, it brings a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Because I discovered mabondo ukuthi, and I'm also praying for that ukuthi, as much as kukhona izinto that I didn't went through zone.
Yeah.
But to be on someone's shoes.
Yeah.
To kutoke mina mangaba sendaweni so I can.
Yeah.
Nami but to be honest with you mfethu uyazi ke wena.
Yeah.
Ngikhuliso ugogo mina.
Yeah.
She's the woman owangikhulisa.
Yeah.
Umama ukhona,
Yeah.
but umama bekahlala eGoli.
Yeah.
Okusho ukuthi ubekeza ngokuhamba, yabo.
Yeah.
mhlambe abuya after 6 months,
Yeah.
sometimes the whole year ngamboni,
Yeah.
but he will send impahla ma
Yeah.
yabona nani. So ngikhuliswa ugogo.
Yeah.
So before ngikhuliswa ugogo, there was a time whereby shothi uma nobaba badibana bahlala khona endaweni yasefeni la bakhulisana nakho, bakhulela khona, bazalelwa khona.
Yeah.
But mina ke bangenze egoli.
Okay.
It's more like baqala impilo basuka bonke emakhaya
Bazocala impilo
ngapha egoli, and mina I was the product.
Arrive, yeah.
Ukuzalwa kwami ngazalelwe eThembisa.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So ekukhuleni kwami I saw them. Yabo babo two. Yabo.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man. This thing is so sensitive.
Talk, man.
Yeah,
Talk,
it's so
man.
sensitive.
Yeah.
But so it happens ke uma no baba bebasaxabana phambi kwami.
Yeah.
And there was a time bashayana.
Yeah.
It brought a trauma to me.
Yeah.
Bo kwenzeka yonke lento yenza, then I was forced ukuthi manje umama ngimikise kuphi ekhaya kwagogo, and bengimncane, I think ngangenza grade 2.
Yeah.
I was young, man.
Yeah.
Then ngaya khona ngakhulela khona, and this is the woman I only knew. Okay, madam, there was a time la khona ngakhohlwa khona, bengaliboni ke lona.
Yeah.
Nakhona ngalibona sengenza grade 4 or 6.
Yeah.
Mangenza grade 4 6 itime lize esikolweni.
Yeah.
Nakhona ngiseseyintwana.
Yeah.
And I remember ngimkhohlwa because umntwana akakhohlwa, but mina I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
As much as ushow aphile at the early stage boma 1 month from 0 to 3 years or 1 4 angeke azakhohlwa. So mina itime lami lathi malifika lizongihlola esikolweni, bathi uyamazi lo baba zakhe, this is my dad. I'm like, naye waba shocked ile ndoda yang recognize yabo. So kwaba leyo nto, then after that anyamalale ngingasamboni. But I won't lie to you, Buti, that thing yokuthi time lingabi khona, it brought leyanto yokuthi ekukhuleni kwami, because kunezinto ezizokwenzeka usesemncane, but imthelela yazo ibonakale somdala.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because I won't lie to you, even nakuma relationship engengangena kuwona, ngidibana nabantu besifazane aba right, but due to yokuthi angilazi uthando between uma no baba. You understand? So lokho kwangenza ukuthi ngigcine ngibavruvaya nabo. You understand? Yeah, ileyo nto.
You know, but it's amazing to say one of the advantages of growing up, I'd like to believe, of growing up having both parents in your life is that you get taught gender roles within a family. And you get taught, because we get invited all over the country, and at some point we get to be invited in Linizabe Fundis. One thing that I've observed is that most of the time, if ubaba engumfundisi eshadile and they grow up in this thing, there are high chances ukuthi abantwana babo nabo bashade,
which is true.
I don't know if it makes sense, which then brings that thing to say you get to be taught about a family structure. You get to be taught ukuthi umama nobaba beqabene balungisa kanjani izinto. But once ukhule uwedwa mvangeli, when it comes to bringing solution, esindoda akekho umuntu wambona ehlala phansi acazulula izinto. Same applies on the other side. Women, some of the women, they don't know how to deal with situations and with troubles. There is an argument that rises within a relationship, but simply because of the absence of the mother or the father, and agaze abona conflict management within a family structure, it affects with how you deal with problems. As we speak today, they rather not talk about situations. Not knowing that not talking about it, it sometimes makes things to be worse. Because it sometimes sends a message to the other person that I'm an Angnanda. You get what I'm saying? So those are some of the disadvantages of saying having to grow without having parents together in the very same place. It affects how you deal with things. It affects you as a boy. Because as men, if your father is there,
you get to be trained how to be a man.
A man.
You get to see a role model. But in our generation, we have role models that are outside simply because of ukhule ubaba angekho. Tina, we are privileged, at least luckily by God's grace, we got to meet a man by the name of Apostle Pet that became a father to us. Now, guess what Utata did? He had a role to play whereby he was retraining us how to become men.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? At least now, my father, there is a role that he played.
Sure.
You get what I'm saying? But the absence of umama.
Ish. Yes, Bhuti lento oyishoyo. I met this guy and he said to me, Bhuti Sbu, uyazi mina angaze akekho umuntu okwangifundisa ukudrive ukuthi ngidrive kanjani.
Yeah.
How to drive.
Yeah.
But ke manje ngizifundele ukuthi ngidrive kanjani. Wathi kukhona abantwana mabakhula.
Yeah.
At the age of 12 years uyakwazi ukudrive noma ngana license.
Yo.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okusho ukuthi unabazali bobabili abanakho abam exposure eintweni. And azathi kumina eBhuti Sbu ngifunda ukudrive sengimdala sengibona ukuthi vele ekhaya yiki imoto even nabazali anginabo. Then Bhuti nga realize Bhuti oh nasempilweni kukanje. If ukhule kungekho if ukhule umama nobaba bengekho noma ukhule angisho kuyenzeka bashone but kuyenzeka babe khona bahlukane but that impact ukuthi bahlukene ungaboni father figure nobumama lokho kukwenze ukuthi ugcine ama relationship ozitholela wona you figure it out. Ifana nalomfo athi ngazifundela ukudriver along the way ngizfoster mina. But lo munye wakwazi ukudriver asisemncane. Ifana kuma relationship. Abanye abantu Bhuti sesingabasola sithi bangena baphume emathandweni. Kanti masingacheck ukuthi i-family background uzalwapi. Kusena kwenza ukuthandana nosisi Bhuti umtholo usisi wakho ukuthi unolaka. And mama kuthiwa uyalidetector lo la ukuthi lichamukapi libuya kubazali bakhe. Indlela abone ngayo uma wakhe athitha ngakhona ubaba wakhe. You understand? So unfortunately Bhuti if vele uzalelwe ku family structure whereby akunamuntu you figure it out and into ebhlungu ngalokho uyamosha.
You know but when you're speaking like this I've discovered to say as men, just like in a conversation that we had on TikTok, to say kunabantwana bamantombazana esibabiza ngamabhadi esibabiza ngama slay queen. Most yabo bathandana nama sugar daddy, bathandana nendoda amadala. You get what I'm saying? In reality when you investigate uthola ukuthi ke akusukuthi lamadoda anemali kodwa kunento abayifunayo kulamadoda, which it's like I grew up without my father and I end up looking for a father in each and every man that I come across. Umbona umntana abantu sasemncane ungena emathaveni uyaphuma kanti the problem is one, it's the absence of the father. You get what I'm saying? Now you are becoming vulnerable to wrong people. But if you sit down with most of them, where is your father? Where is your mother? You'll find out that family structure it's broken. So which means then we are needed as men and women. You get what I'm saying? It was not God's design for us to live in divided families. Number two, I think, growing up in a family structure that is stable, it makes generational wealth to be easy.
Which is true.
And it makes creating a better life for abantwana to be easy. For example, if let's say Umanji, both dad and mom they are there. Guess what they will do? They will make sure that we have a better life. So laba gcine khona ila siqala khona. But uma bangekho kwamele siqale laba ngakaqali bona. Angazi if it makes sense. So a better father and a better mother, they make sure that they start by running so that we can walk.
So they fight battles, mango, that are very important. I could them now put it like knowing that you're about to get married to someone or you're in a relationship with someone and ubaba afika kuhlalise phansi. Atendot mntanamlo. Angazi if it makes sense. That feeling to say, this is my child, bruh, take care of her. Mnakekele. Ingakho, but if you can look at most weddings, this is the structure. Most of the time, if ubaba esaphila and if ubaba usempilweni yengane yakhe, whenever they walk down the aisle, it's the father that is carrying the daughter. Amisa kuphi to the husband. What does that mean? He says, bruh, I've taken care of this girl. Now I'm handing over to you. You will continue doing what I used to do in her life, which was protecting her, guiding her. Isn't it fun analysis?
As put in the more we talk about these things, the more it gets deeper.
Sure.
Kunabantu besifazane noma ungangena nabo ku relationship.
Sure.
Uthandane naye.
Sure.
Ngeke azakuzwe futhi ngeke azakulalele njengendoda. Why? Because voice yendoda akayijwayelanga. I discovered something Mabunda ukuthi umntwana uba nabazali bobabili makakhulu.
Sure.
And abantwana bavamisile ukudelela omama kakhulu.
Sure.
And nabo mama bane soft spot.
Sure.
For ebantwaneni babo.
Sure.
And uthola ukuthi uma eganga noma kuthi uyamkhuza uyachubeka yenza.
Sure.
But once kwaba ne voice yendoda athi hey wena ukhuluma kayi1 ayiyeke. Gangakanani uma ekhuluma engekho bese uzothandana naye uthi mawumkhuza alwe nawe.
Yo,
wena usibuzo lo muntu osifazane walwa nami kangako wangangilaleli kangaka kanti i-absence ngokuqala ezwa ivoice yendoda.
Yo,
into ayijwayele ivoice yomuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
Put mina that put yabona as we are talking here,
yeah.
I discover something ukuthi uma abazali baba u2 enganeni bayikhulisa kahle.
Sure.
Umkhwenyana will face and will okay. Umkhwenyana angeke alwe unnecessary battles uma ngena emshadweni.
Sure.
Umangale wena why le ndoda yabanje abazali bo2 kanti uma ngabe bekhona bobabili wena ezuma court ngeke ufight unnecessary battles.
Sure.
Okusho but if but deep lento mfethu inzulu.
Let me make a disclaimer.
Sure.
Let me make a disclaimer. I feel like it's very important that we make this disclaimer.
Sure.
To protect the viewers at home.
Sure.
Because lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo la zingavusa ulaka ebantwini abathize. We are not here to blame single parents.
Sure.
We are not here to blame single mothers, single fathers. We are not here to judge or criticize.
Sure.
But we are here to say there are many reasons why abazali bethu bakhule bangekho empilweni zethu. Some it's because of some they got divorced. Some it's because of separation. But we are here to talk about the effects of their absence in our lives. And the effects that is going to be made if when ungumzali ophilayo somewhere there and you are absent empilweni zabantwana bakho. Angazi if it makes something short. So nayi lento ishilo mango la to say umuntu wesifazane I've noticed something man.
Sure.
Do you know ukuthi kunabantu besifazane specifically women that inherit anger yabo mama babo,
which is true.
Angazi if it makes sense.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi ke umuntu azonde itime lakhe kanti inkinga akusi time. Kunezinto that happened between the parents, but because of the influence yaka mama over umntwana akhule azonda ubaba. Kanti inkinga at the end of the day it wasn't things supposed to be like that. So whether we like it or not bafethu into i-absence ema ngobhlungu man i-worse into asama private school public school ngiyayibona. Do you know ukuthi ema public school ema private school but there are days whereby kudlalwa ama rugby kudlala sports and most of the time mawuthi uyacheka lapha kuma grandstand kunabazali. Do you know, I've noticed also man to say umntwana in communication with both the mother and the father, there is a certain level of confidence man yo abanayo
kakhulu
amango serious man. There is a certain level of confidence that these kids have. Number 2, talent yabo, it gets exposed easily to the world. Because sometimes as fathers and mothers of it, we play a role of uncovering the gift within our children.
But I'm sorry, let me just kancane ngikeve kancane.
Sure.
Hey, Nkosi yami. Bhuti.
Yes sir.
Uyazi ukuthi kuyenzeka uma wakhe akuzonde.
Sure.
Kanti inzondo yakhe uma uyidetector noma uyihlola.
Sure.
Uzonda ubaba wakho.
Yo.
But through wena.
Mango.
Ekuthandaneni kwabo. Shotha kuzange kwaba nokuzwana. Mhlawumbe ubaba betray uma.
Sure.
Bahlukane athatha omunye umfazi.
Sure.
Kwawena leso sikhathi bebangakuplananga. Owabanye bebamplanile.
Yeah.
But ekuzaleni kwakho bahlukana. And akuzonda umangale why uma engizonda kangaka kodwa sinabo dadewethu nabo bonke abafowethu bona uyabathanda but mina uyangizonda. Kanti hayi njalo makabona wena ukhumbula lesasilwane sakhe esambetray.
Yo.
But if people they can understand how deep lento yama relationship is
yo,
because every time makabona iso lakho abona impumulo yakho ubona lo ubaba wakho
yo,
wena umangala ukuthi kumawa ngizonda kangaka
yo.
But some of the people we call black sheep of the family, they are not black sheep.
Sure.
The problem is umama ulwa izimpi zakhe kodwa ebona uyise kuwe.
You know,
even women,
you know makhuluma so I'm about to say the very same thing that Uisho and mine to say kunabantwana that gets punished for izono abangazazi ene leyo nto iba affected the rest of their lives. Unfortunately abazali angeke basitshela iqiniso. I'm going to make an example that is very sensitive man. Let's say umama no babako not you specifically, to the viewer at home, your mother and father. This is what happened. Uma basathandana.
Sure.
Kwenzekile umama wachita. Kanti lesikhathi achita ngaso isikhathi lesi akhulelwe ngaso. Angazi if it makes sense into ngisho. Now into enzakala naye ubaba ambhaqe umama esachita. Aphenduke mango athi no lo mntana lo akusiyena wami. Remember back then mango into about DNA nana bengekho, and besides the DNA needs a lot of money. Now umuntu ubaba mafika bathi siswe sakho afika nakusona sami lesi ngamthola anosibani umama ngeke aze akutshele ukuthi ubaba wakho ungizondela ukuthi the time sisathandana kunamadoda aphika abantwana hayi ngoba banenhliziyo ezimbi. Akhona amadoda that are foolish abaphika abantwana babo, but abanye mawuthi uya-check ama reasons wabo wambona umbhaca umama echeat and ekumbhaceni kwakhe angeke asakhona uba nama doubts umntana wami lo hayi mina ngeke ngize ngibanjiswe ijazi. Unfortunately mfethu ngiyaphuma empilweni yakho. Umama uyazi ukuthi okay this is the father akhule athi ubaba khulo, but ubaba wakho akafuni uku-accepta because every time akabona wena kune doubt ngaphakathi kuye ethi this cannot be my child. What if lo mntana kaSipho akusona wampela umama wakho ngamthola ithandana noSipho bangijolela noSipho. As a result there are men that have so much hatred to their kids.
Yo.
And inzondo yabo mawuthi uyachecka itraceka ekutheni before uzalwa. When you are asking yourself why baba mangangifuni, why baba mangangithanda, why there are other men that are foolish abangathanda abantwana babo, but they are men abaphoqwa ama circumstances.
Bhuti as Bhuti mina I believe now ukuthi ukuthi umzali wakho uyakuzonda akakuthandi ukutreat bad
Yeah.
ungidlula bonke abantwana bakhona
Yeah.
bengicela ube ne moment before uyakude ngenzondo
Yeah.
bengicela uhlale phansi noma
Yeah.
ma kwenzakalani ekuzaleni kwami I'm sorry Bhuti to say this
Yes sir.
ngizoyikhuluma lento
Khulume.
mina ekuzaleni kwami I discovered ukuthi ekhaya la khabo baba bebangangifuni
Yeah.
and mabangangifuni ba blame uma ukuthi akayena lo mntana wala ngingakazalwa
Sure.
and ungizwe kahle kanti mangizalwa ngizophuma straight ngifane nobaba kwabenza lokho ba defeateka
Hey. Yo.
ngizwa lento
Sure.
I only understand it now why bengangithandi why bengibetray in some of the things that we went through now
Yeah.
kanti put in their mind bebanomakoti ebebathandela ubaba bona ukuthi ufanele ubaba lo makoti lo
Yo.
that is why even nasekuhlukaneni kwabo ifamily yakhobothama inesandla it's very important but ukuthi uma ngabe kwenzeka whatsoever kwenzakalayo uhlale phansi nomzali mama baba kwenzakaleni
Mango, can I ask a question?
Sure.
I'm not saying it's majority of the time,
Sure.
but there is a pattern that I'm noticing. But have you noticed, Mango? I mean, I don't know. This is something that I've noticed. Why is it, Mango, Goti, ama family wabo timer, they are most likely uguspata gabi compared to family yabo mama. Mango, aside labo mama, Mango, it is always available to welcome you, shower you with love, take care of you, wonder about you. Ugogo mfethu is always willing to take care of you. But if family labo timer, what's going on? And it's across many people. Now, if you find a problem, I think most of the time, aunt masikhuluma ngo-aunt sikhuluma ngosisi ka-time.
Ka-time,
Angisho
yeah.
ingakho most of the time uzwa kuthiwa abo-aunt bayalona. Abo-aunt.
No, I think this is spiritual
Serious. I'm asking myself, why is it that most of the time? Now, again, I want to make this point across to say you can never, I repeat, soze ulithenge uthando lomzali. Yabona, if there is something that you can never change, the day you accept ukuthi mina no mama asizwani, the better you're gonna have peace.
Yeah.
Number two, the day you accept mina no time alami asizwani, you get what I'm saying? And pray. It's only God that have the power to restore the love and the relationship between you. Because mango kunabantu mfethu aba depressed namhlanje yingoba they are going all out to try to buy uthando lomzali. I renovate indlu, amthengele imoto, amthengele ama grocery every month, ayenze nanoma yini esemandleni yakhe. And uthola ukuthi there are other brothers and sisters that are doing nothing but uthando abaluthola from umzali ludlulo lolu wena olutholwayo noma wenza izinto. It's so sad. It's so sad. You find in our generation, man, whereby in fact, kunabantu that are depressed. Kunenkhandla endlini that is not doing well, that is not doing anything in his life. But uthandwa. When there are things that you are going through, perfect. There are things that people that work. I'm sorry to say this, that work so hard. Only to be rejected by the very same parent umsebenzi uphela. Kunabantwana mango abaphenduke baba ama slave. The family doesn't care about them. Umama akana ndaba nawe, unendaba nemali ayithola kuwe. I'm not saying we should not take care of our parents. We do take care of them. But when was the last time that you loved me from me? Ungithande njengomama, ungithande njengobaba, for being me, for being your child.
Is it always necessary that every time when I get a call from my mother, I know, or when I get a call from my father, I know ufuna something? He's not calling to check up, son, how are you doing? My son, is everything right? La ukona call. The only time they call to take. It's like bas punisher with bas coolies.
Hish put as Veto Prophet, I don't know, maybe someone will relate to this thing.
Sure.
Ave kubuhlungu kushonelwa ngabazali bobabili. Iphinde futhi. Ave kubuhlungu kushonelwa ngabazali bo2 body.
Yo.
And into ebuhlungu ngalokho, even noma wakho nobabakho.
Sure.
Or ngithi uma wakho.
Sure.
Because kuyenzeka kushona uma, kushona uma kusala ubaba, kushona ubaba kusala uma. So kuyenzeka kushona ubaba kucala kusala uma.
Sure.
But ikutholakala ukuthi umama eshona bekangakaphumeleli kahle. I discovered something but ukuthi abanye bedayi ngoba sisaba ukufa.
Yeah.
Asikusaba ukufa.
Yeah.
But into esiyisabayo mangifa abantwana bami bayosala banjani.
Yo.
Kuyenzeka ishona ifamily yakini uma wakho azi ukuthi isimo ushiye njani.
Sure.
And asaphila uma wakho bekabona usisi bakhe wena ungumntana wakho bakutreat njani. But ave kubuhlungu uthi umncane bashona abazali bo2.
Yo.
Makushona bona usala uyislave kini.
Yo.
I'll repeat this thing.
Repeat it.
Ave kubuhlungu but abazali mabeshona bese kini bakuphendula uba yislave.
Yo.
Uzufise mfana kithi ukuthi yo uNkulunkulu I can't wait ngibe mdala ngikwazi ngiphume la.
Yo.
But there are people abayi victim yaleyo nto.
Yo.
Simangale thina abantu ngoDecember umuntu akayikuba. Njalo makakubo une trauma.
Yento yenzeka
ngangilusiswa inkomo noma ngishaywa ngangishayiswa kwenja.
Yo.
Sorry ukukhuluma ku real talk this. Ngishayeliswa kwedonki but.
Yo.
But uyadlala. But worse mfethu. Nikhule nonke ningaba siblings. Ngoba wena phela abazali bakho bashona umncane. Manikhula iphutha lenziwe uyilo
ublame wena.
Upunishwe wena.
Yo.
But mina I won't lie to you. Sesingakhala sithi abantu balahlile kubo. Abanye abalahli ngoba belahla. Yingoba bakhumbula izinto ezimbi ababenza zona. Abanye bahamba babancane emakhaya.
And okubuhlungu naye ngizoyiphinda ke ungisize mngana wami singafana le episode lenye. Ngizoyiphinda mngana ngiyafuthi athi ngiphefumule. Ngenzeke lento enzeka kule episode. Umenziwa akakhohlwa. Kodwa umenzi uyakhohlwa. Hayibamba.
This time
Ngishayi ibambe khona. So meaning to say baningi ama family members that we cannot stand. Basibuze ukuthi ingani we cannot stand them. Kanti kunezinto abazenza zona sasebancane that created a space of hatred. Emango kunemindeni engazwani namhlanje simply because of indlela sasiphathwa ngayo sasabasakhula. Emango, do you know one of the most people that kunabantu vangeli abangama street kids namhlanje basa bahlala emgwaqeni balala emgwaqeni hayi ngoba bangayazi ukuthi bahlala they know very well but indlela abaphathwa ngayo. Emango, do you know one of the most painful thing about ukushonela abazali usasemncane mango ukuthi akusabi nomuntu onendaba nawo. Let me tell you something. Yeah, let me tell you something. Mina, there is something that I knew about my dad when I was growing up.
Sure.
Noma besqabana, noma we had our own differences.
Sure.
But I knew it that on daily basis I would get a call from my dad. Udlile. That question. Noma ngathiwa sihambile so shumayela kuphi ngibuye ekhaya ngibuya ngabo 10 11 qedwe kushumayela. The very first call mangikokode udlile mntanami. I did not understand the power of that question until ubaba eshona. It was his way of saying that I care. So the minute umzali eshona akusabi nomuntu onendaba nawe. You can spend days ungekho ekhaya, no one will notice. Kunabantu abalahleka namhlanje, no one notice ukuthi umuntu ulahlekile until ngisho noma somdala mvangeli. I-presence yomzalo, do you know what? Kunabantu abashona bahlala boma 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 days. Beshonile endlini because of abahlolo and because of abazali abasekho. Kanti uma umzali ekhona bayashesha ukunotice ukuthi sibantwana akekho right. That phone call endoda right angigrand okay anaknankinga. But kumanje mvang kunabantu but as we speak they have 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, 2 year not talking to any family member, and not only family member, even parents.
Yo. Sase right.
Yeah, sase right ayinto. Yasibeke nyana.
Yasinegama olukhulumile liyangihlekisa enisiya real talk la. Uthe mvangi.
Hayi.
Sothi mvangelo oyashotlisa mvangi.
Iwo uzophuma empulse yami.
Yeah. Sorry viewers at home.
Yeah.
Lokho kubonile sicela ukukhohlwa inyawo zencika zibona inhlanhla le awusebayazi ukuthi shooter singagcokile. Yeah but you know but lento ishoyo man I don't know man but it's the honest truth.
Yes sir.
Hayi ngoba sifuna ukuvusa amanxeba.
Sure.
But at some point kuyenza kuyitshela ukuthi upholile into
kanti awupholanga
until kukhulunywe ngalento wehla inyembezi.
Yeah.
Then shotha awupholanga.
Yeah.
Eputi I can relate to that man.
Sure.
And I believe khona nomunye ongarelate. Mina kubaba moshone 2017. Yeah, 2017.
Sure.
Njengoba bengichazile. Do you know but ukuthi kuneyingane bezunyanya uDecember.
Hey. Namanje sawunyanya.
December.
Oh December.
Yeah,
okay.
ukuthi umuntu wakhona uDecember unyanyelana. It's because ngoDecember abantwana bayagcoka impahla.
Yo.
Mina ngoba nginaba abazali.
Yo.
Ngizoba exposed.
Mango.
Eputi
mango.
And into ebhlungu ngalento lena but ukuthi even noma mhlamba abazali mhlamba umzali wakho uyaphila eyedwa.
Oh.
But angabi nawo amandla okugcokisa.
Oh.
And lezi zabodadewabo bam expose uma I know bam support bakuthengela impahla.
Yo.
But because of hey but ube exposed uma abanye begcoka. Hayi ngoba umama anemali but because akanayo imali yokukuthengela. Uzunyanya uDecember but. Egameni lokuthi ngoDecember kuyagcokwa kwenziwa yonke into and when you gonna be exposed. And we grew up like that.
You know? Ngivusela amanxeba nto.
Sorry
but do you know one of the most painful thing
Sure.
as ingane that you can face, more especially when you do not have a mother? It's awugqoki into oyithandayo. Ugqoka logo onika khona. Ugqoka logo.
Yeah,
You get what I'm saying? It's not your choice. You don't decide. There was once a scenario. I'll put it in this way.
Sure.
There were 2 kids. One had a parent. The other didn't have a parent. Bokuyisikhathi la kosokuyothenga khona icathulo. Umehluko was babizwa labantwana bawu2 bafika. Kwathiwa mi nazi icathulo zakho. Lo munye kwathiwa nayi imali. Hamba uthenga lezo uyifunayo. 2 different scenarios. Because of you have a mother, you have an opportunity to decide what you want to wear. But because of you don't have a mother, you are told, me, we've bought you. You don't get to decide. Nakhona kuthengwe into oyibona nayo lengeke izingifanele.
Yeah.
Awubuzwa man. That is the painful thing about not having a parent in your life growing up as a child. Is that most of abantwana photo bana bagcoka ama label nani. It's because of umama uyakhona ukumkethisa. And that's where you learn how to dress. That's where you learn how to make choices in life. Because umama uyakhona but noma kungathiwa ikaphepho uyakhona ukuthatha akukhombise between the skipper lesina lesi ufuna siphi. Ukhethe. And njengoba ukhethe leso sinye ngeke usithole. You get what I'm saying? But umama or ubaba or whoever that is responsible for you as a child angekho kuvele ukuthatha into and sometimes the cheapest kuthethwe me so that as long as ugqokile. Let me say this thing to you. You are blessed mfethu if you have people within your life that decided to step up and become parents in your life. Ngoba kunabantwana namhlanje mangu abo mama nabo baba bashona but leyo gap ayibonakala simply because of kunabo sisi kunabo bhuti that decided to step up and play the role kababa. Maybe abazali abekho but your biological parents, your biological brothers and sisters abafuni next ngawe bathathe irole mvangelo kuzoba ngathi ubaba ukhona empilweni kanti akekho. Why? Indlela abakunakekela ngayo, indlela abaconsent ngawo, indlela kunabantu namhlanje bangena isikole baqeda mawucheka wafundiswa abantu awubhuti wamangisi esikoleni. Kunabantu abanama driver's license mango abanezini mawucheka who did this thing akutshela umuntu it's my brother, it's my sister. Sure. But you are blessed if you have such kind of family members abakhona ukuprotecta ukuthi amahlazo angaveli nokuthi ungabonakala ukuthi umama or ubaba angekho empilweni yakho. But believe me man, you are in another thing if you have a family members that don't even care about you.
Yo ibhlungu lento lena but I dynamic asivali because ngibona sethi 40 but
yes sir
le ibhlungu kakhulu ke le.
Yeah.
Whereby nizalwa nonke ekukhuleni.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe niba u5.
Sure.
Athi umama abadle bonke lapha ubalinde bacede. Bese mawuceda wena uyodla kusele.
Hey.
Kube kungumzali wakho bhuti.
Hey.
Hey bhuti.
Yo mawu.
Mina bhuti I don't know this episode ngiceda amandla mfowethu. And
there is a lot to unpack.
And ungizwe kahle mfowethu mabunda. Kunama siblings. Kunabantu abazalwa ndawonye.
Sure.
Bakhule ndawonye.
Sure.
Bayazondana namhlanje baba badala.
Sure.
If ungacheka unina, umama
or
ubaba obenze bangazwani. But hayi ngoba singazwani nama family members wethu. The problem iqoki bekuma.
Sure.
Kwayona but lokuthi uthi akudle bona wena uzodle egcineni. And uzuzibuza ukuthi but uyazi pain ukuthi uzuzibuza ukuthi ngangiphume esendeni nalomfo. I'm sorry for saying khulubile. And okunye
uphathwa ngathi uadopted.
Yeah, uphathwa ngathi uadopted but uzibuza mara ngiphume esibelethweni salo mama.
Yo.
Yet lo muntu yakuzala. Wayizwa ukuthi ipain yokuzala mina lo mzali.
Yo.
But this is painful. I'm sorry to say this but I'm saying it.
You know one of the things that I'm going to say. I'm going to say this. Do you know what mango man abo mama women. I'm not judging you but I'm going to say this thing. This is painful man.
Sure.
Do you know ukuthi indoda iyakhona ukubona uma umntwana kungeyona wakhe?
Which is true.
And igcine imphathise kwenzondo. Yena umntwana anga understand because umntwana innocent.
Sure.
But because of umama ngazange alikhuluma iqiniso. And uthola ukuthi unfortunately umama eshone. Le ndoda isale nabantwana. La yazi khona ukuthi le 2 eyami le 1 akusona yami. Uthi how are you going to be treated?
bafethu ayive kubhlungu manga ukuthi ubekhaya kodwa uphathiswe kwestranger
kuhlungabe leyo
ukhulunyela ukuthi wavula ifridge
bhuti
ukhulunyela ukuthi and it was I'm going to say this thing have kubhlungu mfangeni I'm going to say this thing ukuthi uthi usebenza or uthi ungasebenzi ekhaya kube nosisi omdala or nobhuti omdala osebenzayo or wena ungumdala kunabafobeni abancane abangasebenzi ukukhulunyela ukudla ukukhulunyela ukuthi wena wahambile wayovula ifridge you cannot eat mango mina there was an experience that I'll never forget.
Sure.
I'll say this thing. To the Sambo family. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah. You broke a certain mentality in my mind that when I was growing up, I never knew what yenzeka leyo nto. But do you remember that when we were hosting Ebukhoneni 2024? Last year. Sahamba sahlala kaSambo for almost a month.
Yeah, campaigning
for Ebukhoneni.
Sure.
Believe me, that family puti, I remember when they said to us, guys, you are here. And njengoba nila will treat you like nabantwana bethu. You are our kids. Mamsamo nobabsamo.
Sure.
And then they released the statement to say njengoba nila ngeze niphathise kwama guest, you will eat anything that you need from the fridge.
Yonke into enidingayo.
You have a right to open up anything fridge. Awukalelwa nokuthi ukhipha ukudla kunganani. Do you know mango kunama families la kukhulunyelwa khona ukudla? If you can eat now, you cannot eat for the second time. But imagine, this is why we say kunama benefits of growing up having two parents. Because you get to experience that thing.
We are about to choose.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You get to choose what you want to eat or what you do not want to eat. Do you know mango kunabantu namhlanje babadala mango? But because of the economy, it's tough. Baphathiswa kwangathi bayizinja emakubo.
Hey. Yabona nenye bhuti engishaya kakhulu. Leyo ukuthi mawukhula utreatwe bad. Noma somdala utreatwe bad. But ungazube nemali. Sebaqala bakutreatiswa kwenkosi. Family members.
No,
mina that's why but ungakhohlwa indlela abantu abakutreata ngayo sesephansi mhlazana soyaphezulu. Real talk with amadoda nyazimuzi.
Part 2 there is a lot to unpack. Real talk with amadoda nyazimuzi. Thank you so much Bafethu. Remember, if you are blessed by this episode and you want to say madoda nyazimuzi, I want to sponsor the show in any however way that I can. This is the number 064-6200-751. We repeat it for those that wish to say madoda be blessed. Nangu 100 rand, nangu 200 rand.
Sure.
Just tumela kule account and then don't forget, just say real talk. We'll know what develop. Sabo.
Amen.
Amen.